How to download Roblox on Mac. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for Roblox download for Mac. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, you will see the option for download Roblox. Tap on that and you will then see the option for download on Mac. Tap on that, and with this, the downloading will begin. So wait for the download to complete, and once downloaded, tap on the downloads option on the top right of your screen and further launch the file that you just downloaded. You will then be required to double click on the Roblox icon you see there in the pop-up that appears, and with this, the process for installation will complete and Roblox will be installed successfully, as you can see here. So this is how you can download Roblox on Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.